कर्नाटका गुलबर्गा शहर के मशहूर फिजिशियनों डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर मोइन साबिर के साथ बॉलीवुड अदाकारा हुमा कुरैशी ने द हॉट टॉक विद हुमा कुरैशी अजंता फार्मा फ्रॉम मेकर्स ऑफ मेट एक्सेल की जानिब से पेशेंट्स एजुकेशन अवेयरनेस को लेकर हमराज कल्ब के ताल्लुक से हुमा कुरैशी ने डॉक्टर मोइन साबिर से हेल्थी हार्ट को लेकर सवालात किए, जिसका जवाब डॉक्टर मोइन साबिर ने बड़े सलीस अंदाज में देते हुए कहा कि 35 साल से लेकर 60 साल के ऊपर वाले लोगों को सलाह दी कि रोजाना कम से कम 45 मिनट वॉकिंग करें। आजकल के तर्ज जिंदगी को लेकर कहा कि रात को देर तक जागना, होटलों का खाना खाना, ज्यादा जंक फूड का इस्तेमाल करना, जिसकी वजह से हार्ट अटैक होने के चांसेस बढ़ने की बात कही। तो आइए देखते हैं तफसीली रिपोर्ट। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट अतराफ टीवी उर्दू न्यूज़।
Welcome to the Heart Talk, a podcast dedicated to empowering you with the knowledge and habits that keep your heart strong and healthy. In today's fast-paced world, where stress is high, lifestyles are sedentary, and processed foods often replace wholesome meals, heart disease has become one of the world's leading health concerns. And alarmingly, it's affecting younger people more than ever before. Hi, I'm Huma Khureshi, and in this episode, we are joined by a leading physician to help us understand how we can protect our hearts, detect early warning signs, and make choices that ensure a longer, healthier life. Together, we break down the science into simple, actionable steps that you can start today, because a healthier heart means a healthier you. So, doctor, tell me, why are so many people today, younger people, even celebrities, getting heart attacks at just 40? I mean, aren't heart problems for older people?
Yeah, Umaji, you asked a very good and important question. Nowadays, we could see not in 40s was you as what you asked, not in 40. I have seen even 30-year-old patients also getting heart attack. The first and foremost reason what I have seen is the stress factor, and the second is the diet, by not taking the balanced diet, not sleeping properly, and excess not having food on time. And the second most important cause is genetic cause. Like if your parents have suffering from heart attacks, definitely, and you have 200% chance of getting diabetes and hypertension to the hospital. This is the studies which are revealed. Even the other factors like excess cholesterol. I have seen many celebrities in the last year, like Sushant Rajput and KK. They have one Kannada superstar Puneet Rajkumar. These people they are all in the 40s. They have also suffered from heart attack. This is the first reason. What I say is the stress factor. Second is not taking food on time, not taking balanced diet, not sleeping for 6 to 8 hours. This could be. This is not a disease of old age nowadays. This is, you can say, this is a disease of early from 30s it starts. So one have to take care of a balanced diet. You have to sleep properly. Then only you can cope up this disease. Okay.
So, what are the warning signs that I should never ignore when it comes to my heart? And when should I see a doctor?
Yeah, this is also a very important question. Like what warning signs we should be, what we should not ignore. Now, the first, each and everybody should be aware of this signs and should not treat it, neglect it. What is this? The chest pain. You have classical left sided chest pain. It could be left side chest pain, in the middle of the chest pain, right side. Both side also. You should not neglect it. Most of them, what I have seen, they think it as acidity and they neglect it, then they land up in mortality. And the second most sign is chest. First I told chest pain, then there is a left hand pain also, and that is called as radiating pain. Next is the neck pain and jaw pain, and along with it you get dizziness and you get sweating also. So these are the most predisposing classical signs of chest pain. Once you get this kind of chest pain, you have to immediately rush to a doctor. This That's it.
And what are the most important daily habits that people can adopt to keep their heart healthy and to reduce the risk of heart disease? And what are the daily habits that people can use to keep their heart healthy and reduce the risk of heart disease?
Yeah, the balanced diet, which is to keep the heart healthy, is like taking vegetables, fruits, and which is rich in vitamins, minerals, and calcium. And doing exercise at least 150 minutes per week, or at least 45 minutes in a day. And should keep quit smoking, alcohol, and avoid non-veg foods, and also maintain a health, correct now as per the body requirement. Height for weight is a formula that has to be maintained. Like what is your height, that much of weight you have to maintain. That is also a balance, a healthy weight. And you keep on monitoring your blood pressure and maintain the blood sugar. What I say, suggest everybody, so you should go see a doctor for a regular checkup once in 6 months, or 3 months, or 6 months is acceptable.
How much do diet and physical activity actually affect your heart health, and what are your top recommendations?
Yeah, what I say is up to 80% of premature heart disease is preventable with healthy heart and exercise. If you have a regular activity which that improves your blood pressure, your cholesterol, and insulin sensitivity. I always recommend my diabetic and hypertensive patients, you don't do anything, only you do regular exercise or a morning walk. That's enough to maintain a healthy heart and blood pressure and cholesterol. So consistency is more important than intensity. I have a suggestion.
What about stress? Does stress actually affect the heart, and what are the practical steps that one can take to reduce it?
Yeah, stress plays very important role in preventing heart attacks, blood pressure, and diabetes. See, if you take stress, then you land up in increase of blood pressure, then leads to inflammation and also risk of arrhythmias, which in turn causes heart attack indirectly or directly. Stress-related heart disease is well documented among young professionals. Why? Because nowadays you can see this stress is most in young people who are working for private sectors, and in ITs, and job tension, work tension, whatever, all kind of stress, which is in turn leading to heart attack. So we are seeing more of cases in young individuals because of the stress. From the question one, I am telling you. So this is very how to prevent this by giving mindfulness and exercise and doing yoga, and you're having taking sleeping, take 6 to 8 hours of sleep, and this is all, and breathing exercise and all. By this you can prevent heart attacks. So social connection and counseling helps to lower the stress burden. So that social connection we have to maintain.
Well, as we wrap up today's conversation, remember, your heart's health is in your hands. Every small change you make, from the food you eat, the way you move, and how you manage stress, adds up to a stronger, longer life. We hope the insights have inspired you to take those steps starting today. After all, your heart works for you 24/7. It deserves the same care and commitment from you. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep your heart happy, and it will keep you going strong.
अतराफ टीवी, हर बात सच के साथ। इस न्यूज को स्पॉन्सर किया है स्टैंडर्ड जिम। गुलबर्गा शहर में पहली मर्तबा तमाम जदीद इक्विपमेंट्स के साथ, तमाम सहूलतों के साथ मौजूद स्टैंडर्ड जिम। स्टैंडर्ड जिम में मेंबरशिप लेकर अपनी सेहत को तंदुरुस्ती अता कीजिए। स्टैंडर्ड जिम में लेडीज और जेंट्स दोनों के लिए अलग अलग औकात में जिम ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है। बेहतरीन क्वालिफाइड जिम ट्रेनर्स के साथ अपनी सेहत को तंदुरुस्ती में तब्दील कीजिए।
आपकी तंदुरुस्ती का खास ख्याल रखते हुए स्टैंडर्ड जिम की खास पेशकश आपके लिए लाए हैं सोना स्टीम बाथ।
तफसीली मालूमात के लिए इस एड्रेस पे राब्ता करें। स्टैंडर्ड जिम अपोजिट कन्नड़ा भवन, स्टेशन मेन रोड, गुलबर्गा। कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स 9916978635 7259428212। SAR फैंटेसी वाटर पार्क, सारे फैमिली का एंटरटेनमेंट, पिकनिक, हॉलिडे, वेकेशन, सबके लिए बेहतरीन वाटर पार्क। आप भी आइए, सबको लाइए। SAR फैंटेसी वाटर पार्क। Address Birnakapom near Gaushavali Dargah, KGF, Karnataka. Contact details 9483444290 9480107826.